Tonight, the Syracuse Police and Fire Departments have made almost no progress on determining what and maybe who started that big fire that destroyed St. Anthony's Convent on the city's north side. Next, the building comes down. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan explains how fast that will happen.
Other than the heavy equipment ready to roll, the old St. Anthony's Convent looks basically as it did once the historic fire was extinguished.
We would have loved to have seen this happen earlier, just because we've got a lot of work into coming by this property multiple times a day to ensure that it's secure every single day.
Days turned into months to determine who pays for the demolition, while preserving the property's pending sale from outgoing owner Mark Conjol to a developer planning affordable senior housing.
Home leasing is still on track for this fall to close on the property with and all the financing needed to be able to turn around and redevelop the property. That should happen this fall.
Because the building was so heavily damaged and is unstable, the city says preserving any kind of history from the inside is basically impossible.
We are looking at what from the exterior might be able to be saved for some of the nuns that used to live here.
The structure should be down in August, but delicate work to sever its hallways connecting to two other campus buildings will take longer.
We hear consistently from the neighbors here on the north side, and especially those that are in close proximity to the building, that what they really want is to see the campus brought back to life. And that is what this particular deal allows us to do, is move forward with bringing it back to life. It's really hard to wait, and it's especially hard to wait when you don't see signs of progress.
Those signs should be back in the next week. In Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.
The building is clear to come down despite police and fire investigators still working to see whether the flames were criminally set. The case is still open, and so far, the cause is formally listed as undetermined.